Hey friends, I'm about to show you how to use gallery view on Zoom. This is a way that you can see everyone who's on the call at one time. Now I took a screen recording using my iPad and it turns out it didn't record volume. So I did a quick little voiceover. So you're gonna see my mouth moving in the video and the words that I'm saying or that you're hearing are gonna look different. So just know that it's because the volume wasn't working. The video is working fine and I did explain how to use gallery view, so hopefully that helps you. So check it out now. Hi everyone, Miss O here doing a little voiceover for this video about Zoom and gallery view. So gallery view is the setting on Zoom that allows you to see all your friends. This is a screen recording of a Zoom that I was doing with Miss Cortez. And you'll see I just clicked my screen on my iPad and two little white buttons showed up in the top left corner. One of them is a little circle with boxes in it. You'll see some boxes in it. That is gallery view. I'm going to click it here, and now I can see Miss Cortez and me on the screen. So if there were lots of friends on the screen, I would see all my friends on the screen. So this is a way that if you're on Zoom on your iPad, you can see everybody who's in the meeting. If I want to just see the teacher again, I can click the same button, but now it looks like a box with a person in it. And now I just see the teacher again. So that's a quick way to show you how to see all your friends in our Zoom meeting. So go ahead and practice this on Zoom, and this can be a way that you can see all your friends in your small group meeting. All right, you guys, hopefully that helps. I'll see you later.